To troubleshoot a GoHenry child account, start by checking the basics. Ensure the child's account is active and not suspended, and that their card is not expired or lost if the account is active. Check the available balance to ensure there are sufficient funds for transactions. Next, review the child's transaction history to identify any patterns or errors that may be causing the issue. Check for any declined transactions, and verify that the child is using the correct PIN. If the child is trying to make an online purchase, ensure the website or app is compatible with GoHenry cards. If the issue persists, check the GoHenry app or website for any system notifications or alerts. Sometimes, technical issues or maintenance can cause problems with account access. Another step is to check the child's spending limits and rules set by the parent. If the limits are too low, or if a specific rule is blocking a transaction, the child may not be able to complete a purchase. Parents can adjust these limits and rules in the GoHenry app. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact GoHenry customer support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem, provide additional guidance, and resolve any technical issues. When contacting support, have the child's account information and a detailed description of the issue ready. This will help the support team quickly identify the problem and provide a solution. By following these steps, parents and children can quickly troubleshoot and resolve issues with their GoHenry child account, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience.